chain's gonna break. If I punch your chain, listen, bro. If I go bang to your chest right now,
show me one. Shut the fuck up.
That's what I'm saying to you. That's what I'm saying to you, bro. This is what I'm trying to say to you.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, cool. You show all your money. Show all your.
You're always on live, bro. Give a man verbal, bro.
Now listen, you've done tunes with people from Atlanta.
He was doing so good. He was doing
but
so good.
Nobody from America knows you. I chat to a lot of American artists, right? They don't even know you exist.
They're artists.
Or whatever.
They don't even know real bits.
They cool to me. And they, remember what I said to you. The people have done tunes from your country. They respect, man. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So
but I'm not
arguing. You were doing so good. You were doing so good. Let me go get you.
Nobody knows you for your music, yeah? Listen, I'm known for music and controversial as well, yeah? But at least I'm still known for doing tunes because I've done tunes of people from your country. Miko Domingo, that's Quavo's cousin. That's Quavo's cousin, right? And Vander Grimm and Sir Matt from Chicago, right?
Even then, it's
and bare other Americans. And the next one, 22 G's from New York, right? So I'm saying, if you're from America, why have you got not one tune with any big star in the America, bro? So don't try to get onto me, G. That's what I'm saying. Don't try to kick me out as well. Don't try to kick me out as well, my brother, because I'm talking to you.
I don't take no conversation. I don't take no conversation. See, you must forget. I just told you who I am and what I do for a living. Calm down. I'm an A&R. Don't
but you're trying to
I'm finished telling you.
Now, what you're saying is you're throwing me out, my brother. You're throwing me out, bro. What you're saying is making me, you're trying to make me look like I'm some little fish, bro. You're trying to make me look like a dickhead, bro. But don't do that, bro.
I'm talking.
It's all respect. It's all respect of you, Unks, yeah? It's all respect of you, but the way you're trying to speak to man, you're trying to make man look like I'm some tough sort of dickhead, bro. Like, man's not that guy, bro. I'm not the one, bro. I ain't the one, bro. Trust me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm saying to you that I've done tunes of people from your country.
I heard you. I already know.
Quality control music.
Cousin and the guy from Chicago. Now let me tell you now.
That's what I'm trying to say.
I'm not a rapper, nigga. When I was doing that shit, I was doing it for fun. When I was doing it for a check. Now on another note, nigga, I'm an A&R. I'm sorry, I'm not known as a rapper, nigga. I'm known as a connector. So on that note, son, maybe you was looking me up the wrong way. So if you want to look me up for me representing,
what PR? What PR are you? What PR are you connected with? Like what sort of like companies or PR or whatever, AR, whatever, and that I'm connected with?
What you mean? I'm
just talking about in America. What is it? A label or you a PR for that? Label or independent thing?
No, okay. What I am, like, is an A&R that seeks out other artists to connect with songs. Or connect with that need to be a ghostwriter, or connect that mind you want to do a big hit song. See, that's what kind of person I am. See, like when you come to America, like you want to do a song with Quavo cousin, I might can get you that connect with Quavo, not Quavo cousin that we really don't motherfucking know or give a fuck about that you keep blabbing your mouth about.
But I'm telling to you, but Miko Domingo's got a blue tick.
I understand who you keep saying, Quavo cousin. That's why you keep.
Forget listen. He's big,
you're talking to me
he's
now.
Big, but obviously he gets money. His money's long.
Okay,
his money's long, and I've done a tune with him. There's a video on YouTube.
I'm gonna let you talk.
And on my new mixtape and that on Spotify, right? That's what I'm saying, G. I've done tunes of Americans. A lot of Americans. I chat to a lot of people from your country.
Let me say something to you, man. This is why you saying to me first. You have to say this to make this shit sound official to me. Quavo cousin. You understand when you say it like that to me, that shit don't hold no weight. You must say a big name so everybody can understand the little guy that you did a song with.
That's what I said.
Hold on, brother.
That's what I said. Migo Domingo. I said Migo. I said Migo. Cool. Quavo's cousin is Migo Domingo, right?
You can't show me your house and say your fucking house, you living better than me, nigga. I'm listening to you, nigga. Who you think you talking to?
Check my story.
How many cars you got?
Check my story,
nigga. Show me $100 now, nigga.
Check your story, bro. Check my story. Check your story, bro.
Show me some money right now.
Bro, listen, I've done a donation today, bro. That just shows that I've got money. That shows that I've got money, bro.
What you got on right now that make you look like you got money, nigga?
And to the homeless, bro.
Who the fuck you thought you was talking to, nigga?
Who are you, though, bro?
I'm talking to you. Let me see what you look like. Let me see what you got. You ain't got no money. You ain't got no look. Don't come to me like you a big man. Fuck you talking to? You talking to me now.
If you had money, you'd be hollering Icebox, right? from America. You be going to Icebox and getting real jewelry and real fucking teeth, bro. Real gold teeth in your mouth.
What you talking about? This is from Icebox. This is from Icebox, bitch. Fuck you talking about?
It's not from no Icebox,
bitch, you right. This Gangsta Grill. Fuck, you better do your homework. I'm in their system, bum ass. Go look at their system, bum ass.
Listen. Cool. So you compare your jewels to Little Baby.
To another idiot?
You can't compare your jewels to Little Baby and Little Dirk and that. They go to Icebox and get
you
real
right,
jewels.
Motherfucker. They got more money than me, you dummy.
Exactly. So you
but they ain't got this on their fucking neck like you ain't got.
But listen, but if they go to Icebox, you ain't gonna get nothing of what you're wearing from Icebox.
I ain't talking about you on the Icebox. I'm trying to teach your dumb ass why you ain't making no money. What you got in your fucking feelings, nigga.
Bro, listen, I'm saying you said yourself you was bigging me up because you heard and probably saw what I was doing on live. I can give up money because that's light to me.
I didn't see that shit. Ashley said that shit.
Cool.
I kept telling you I didn't see that shit.
Cool. So when you come off this live, go on this account.
This
is my Instagram live account.
Here you go trying to be funny
This
now.
is my only Instagram live account.
Hold on, nigga. You can't show me no money now. You want to talk about money. So I don't want to hear that shit. I don't want to hear that shit. You can't show me no money right now.
But brother, you said
what the fuck you talking to, nigga? I can show you money every day, nigga.
Fam, I've got money, bro. Trust me. I'm not rich. I don't act like I'm the richest.
You lucky you talking to me, nigga.
Listen to me. I'm not even rich, brother, yeah? I'm not rich.
I'm ghetto rich, nigga.
I save more. I'm good at saving money more than you. That's the difference, brother.
Nigga, you ain't got more money than me, nigga. Who you think you talking to?
If you got money... You said you got.
Can't show me no money now.
You said that your chain is from Icebox. You said your chain is not from Icebox, bro.
How you gonna say you got more money than me? You ain't got no money right now,
brother. Do you know how much?
You ain't got no money right now. You see,
Icebox, you're paying mad money, bro. You see that there is so weak that is not from Icebox.
I ain't knocking you, man. But you understand? You sound stupid to me.
I'm just saying.
You ain't got a dollar in your pocket.
Chain's gonna break, brother. If I punch your chain's gonna break. If I punch your chain, listen, bro. If I go bang to your chest right now,
show me one. Shut the fuck up.
That's what I'm saying to you. That's what I'm saying to you, bro. This is what I'm trying to say to you.
Shut the fuck up.
Cool. You show all your money. Show all your money. Show you all your money right now. Forget about $100 bill, bro. Show all your money right now.
He must thought I'm a broke nigga. Hold up. Let me show you. I'm sorry, nigga. I'm sorry. What's about $1? Nigga, it's a Wednesday, nigga.
Bro, what I'm saying to you is you only got one... I
got more money. This is fucking facts, you bum ass nigga. I got more money in my cash app in your fucking pocket, nigga.
Cool. So you see right now, you could even draw me out. I don't want to get drawn out like AC.
You took me
off. If I go to the cash point, I'll show you.
Nigga. What the fuck was wrong with that nigga? He was serious. You don't even got $1 in your pocket. And you talk about you got more money than who, nigga? What you doing? Do some of your UK niggas? What the fuck was wrong with you, nigga? Who you thought you was talking to? Nigga, you keep saying Quavo because Quavo is noticeable. You bum ass nigga. You did a song when nobody don't know. Nobody don't know Quavo cousin. You keep saying Quavo cousin. Shut the fuck up, nigga.
You're always on live, bro. Give a man verbal, bro.